Good day, Sir Chan. I am reading the book The Selfhood of the Human Person by John F. Crosby. The philosophical question it addresses is what does it mean to be a self, and how does selfhood reveal the uniqueness and dignity of each human person? In this book, Crosby claims that selfhood is the deepest reality of the human person, expressing their uniqueness, dignity, and unrepeatability. The author supports this by number 1. A self is not just an individual unit of the human species, but an irreplaceable center of existence. Number 2, each human person is unrepeatable. No one else can take their place or fully substitute for them. Number 3, selfhood is the basis of freedom and responsibility because only a self can make choices and stand accountable for them. The strength of Crosby's arguments lies in how he grounds human dignity in selfhood, provides a clear distinction between individuality and uniqueness, and links into freedom, responsibility, and universal respect. For its weakness, Crosby's arguments are very strong in defending human dignity and uniqueness, but they're abstract, tradition bound, and sometimes in practical nature can be seen as weaknesses. Still, Crosby's argument supports my thesis that every person is special, not just because of what they do, but who they are. His claim that selfhood is the deepest reality of the human person shows that each individual has dignity and worth simply by being unique and irrepeatable itself. This means that a person's value is not based on their achievements, roles, or contributions, but rather on their very existence as a self.